So I'm currently in St. Louis. I'm escaping the snowstorm so I can hopefully go to Hawaii. But most importantly, I have my donuts. Okay, so my plan is to go to Hawaii, but first I had to leave St. Louis because there's a major snowstorm coming. So I flew to Texas, and while I'm here, I am here to visit my family.
No, Sudani, don't do it yet.
All right, let's see.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh no, I can't get it. I can't get it. It keeps falling. Look, guys,
I got you.
I didn't even get it to go inside of the device.
Let me show you.
Into my favorite ramen place in Austin before I get on a flight till LAX. The weather's getting so bad that I'm having to flee Texas as well to try to get to Hawaii. Okay, so we just left the store, and my mom, she said, "Oh no, you took the bottle. You took the restaurant's bottle." This is how, dude, this is glass. It's called a glass bottle.
No, but I was thinking, because it was glass, you know, that you took it. I didn't know if they refilled them or what.
No, Mama, I didn't steal the Coca-Cola bottle. We paid for this. All right, escaping Texas too. Cancel. Okay, so flights are delaying everywhere, canceling because of the weather. I don't know if I'm making it to Hawaii, but I'm definitely still gonna try. All right, about to head to the airport again after the layover, getting some hotel breakfast in a box. Look at those potatoes. All right, guys, it is looking hopeful. Look at this sunshine. I escaped the snow in St. Louis in Texas, and now we're on our way. I think I'm actually gonna get to Hawaii. I just made it to Hawaii. It's so beautiful, and I'm not even by the water yet. Gotta love it. All right, so I have 24 hours starting now. So let's make it the best. I look like a hot mess. I've been traveling everywhere. But your girl, look at this. This is my crib. And the sun is shining, baby. The sun is shining. Look, there's water over there. No snow for me. All right, I gotta let you go. I gotta go enjoy the view. See you later. Alrighty, so we hiked to this beautiful lighthouse. It's really amazing because if you look out, you can actually see the whales, and it's really beautiful out here. You definitely have to come to Lihue and see it for yourself. I got my poke. This is my favorite stuff. So if you go to Hawaii, you have to get poke because it's so good, so yummy, and it's really healthy for you too. Currently waiting for the bus so we can head back to the hotel, go get in the water for a little bit, and then pack up and head out. so I feel like I'm gonna regret this, but YOLO. I'm gonna take a nap in the sun. Alright, so I definitely have a little bit of regret from taking a nap outside because now my legs are really sunburned. The camera doesn't pick it up as bad as it really is, so this flight back to the mainland might be fun. Just got done shopping after I woke up from my little nap. Went and got more ahi because that stuff's so amazing. So I'm gonna eat on that and then get ready to head back to the mainland. I achieved my goal. I went from St. Louis, escaped that storm, went to Texas, escaped that storm, and here we are. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe. See you next time. Aloha.